How to fix Minecraft exit code 1. So first what you want to do is just simply click on the Windows key plus R key on your keyboard. So at the same time, just click on it. Then the run program will run right here. And just simply type in this word, %appdata%, then click on OK. Then once you're there, just simply click on Minecraft right here. Then scroll down to the C mods and make sure that this folder is empty. So if yours has some mods in it, you just simply need to delete it. Since if some mods are outdated, that might have been the cause of the crashing that you have or that you're experiencing. So just go back after you've deleted it and try to open Minecraft again. But if it still does not work, what you can do is just simply delete this whole folder right here. So the .minecraft folder, you just simply need to delete that. But do keep in mind that if you delete it, your saves and resource packs will be gone. So I suggest that you copy these folders first and paste it in another drive or folder, so that if you reinstall Minecraft again, you can back up it and you can just bring it back just by pasting it in the new folder. So just simply delete this Minecraft folder and try to open it again. Try to open Minecraft again, and it will just basically reinstall everything. But if that still does not work, what you can do is open up your browser. And once you're on your browser, just simply search for Java. So I have Java right here, and just simply click on the first link right there. Once you're there, just simply click on download Java here, and that will basically download the latest version of Java. And what you need to do is just simply install it so that the Java on your Minecraft is up to date, and will probably fix the crashes that you are experiencing. And that's how I basically fixed the exit code 1.